Hi everyone, how are you today? I hope you're all fine. I'm Jerlyn May Atupan. You can call me Dr. A or Dr. Atupan. I will be teaching you today about a very exciting English lesson, which is a story and also vocabulary. So hold up tight. The first thing is, how are you feeling today? So you can choose from this. There's a chat box that is here, and you can copy and actually click the link I have here with you. So you can click the link now and you can get started for this one. How are you feeling today? You can choose either you are this feeling or you are this, and that you are going to love it. All right, so here as an introduction for today, I have the vocabulary, which there are three vocabulary here. You can see confined, obliged, and despondent. Have you ever heard this word before? Yes? I hope so. If not, we are going to learn here. So the first one here is confined, obliged, and then despondent. I will be dealing with it one by one. I will be talking with it one by one. So let's get started. Okay, thumbs up if you are feeling okay. All right, so the vocabulary here, word map. So I will be showing you here the first word, which is confined. As you can see, it's the middle one here. Confined. Repeat after me. Confined. All right. So confined means restricted, cramped, or trapped. So as you can see here, there's a person. Abdul was confined inside this jar. This person was trapped inside this jar. The synonym or the words with similar meaning, we have restricted, cramped, and trapped. All right, good job. Thumbs up if you understand it. Right. So if you want to use this in a sentence, Abdul was confined to his room after breaking a family rule for the second time. So confined. All right, so you can also draw your image here. Good. All right, let's go to slide 6. I hope, London, you're gonna go join us in 6. Slide number 6. Also, Gabby, slide number 6. All right, that's good. You are in there. The next second word is oblige. I want you to remember. Okay, oblige means you are compelled to, we are required to, bind or force. That's the synonym, right? Bind. Look at this. Obliged. Okay, when we use this in a sentence, we can say Navaya obliged and walked her sister home from school when she did not want to. All right. So, can you read it? London? Yes, read it. Navaya obliged and walked her sister home from school when she did not want to. Good job, good. I like the way you read it. It is clear that, okay, you use the word obliged. So what about Gabby? What is in your mind? Do you have an example of obliged? Okay, go ahead. That's great. Good job. Yes, yes, you got it right. All right, the next word here, we've got despondent. Despondent means disheartened, discouraged, low-spirited. As you can see here in the picture, this man is despondent when he learned that his grandpa was in the hospital again. So that is, this is it. All right. So, good. You have the time to think about it. Now, let's go over it. All right. So, this story today is about the fisherman and his wife. And those three vocabulary, you're going to be meeting it in this story, the fisherman and his wife. All right. So let's get started. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go to this story about the fisherman and his wife. Then after that, our reflection from the story, is it easier to control greed when a person has access to everything they want? Why or why not? I want you to explain it in your thinking. All right, give you 1 minute. What do you say, London? What do you say, Gabby? Write it down. And for the exit ticket, you have here in slide number 10. All right. Go. Many sections of the story have similar structures. How does the author utilize repetition to emphasize a theme of the text? Say, for example, we have already talked about the story and then about the fisherman and his wife, and then this is the exit ticket. Then at the end, I'd like you to answer a short survey. And thank you so much for today. And I hope you have learned something from the story about the fisherman and his wife. As a summary, I'd like you to remember and recall the three vocabulary: confined means restricted, cramped, and trapped. We have obliged, meaning required, compel, bind, or force. And we have despondent, meaning disheartened, discouraged, low spirited. And for the last part, as your reflection, I want you to write something on the chat box as your reflection for today. All right. What have you learned about the story? Thank you so much. Goodbye. Thank you.